Okay, next. Go. Next one. Ay, ito ang ganda na ito, B. Ito, brand new with tag pa. Size na ito is small, medium, medium, saktong-sakto. Code natin dito is LU. Code natin is LU. LU for 150. LU 150. Next one. Size small. Size is small. Code natin is brownies. Brownies for 150 pesos. Brownies 150. Ito ang ganda ng fabric na ito, guys, oh. Ay, kaya pala, Zara kasi. Original Zara, guys. Original Zara. Size po natin is small. Nababanat yan, mga biha. Ayan. Size is small. Code natin dito is OG. Code natin is OG. 199 pesos na lang si OG. Zara po, original. Ito ang ganda ng kulay na ito. Ayan. Size po natin is small. Code natin dito is Ube. Code natin is Ube. Ube 150. Ube 150. Adjustable strap. Ube 150. Next one. Hanggang 3 lang tayo, biha, sa flash sale. Okay, eto. Ay, ito ang ganda ng tube na to, oh. Ay, bongga, be. Tingnan mo, parang Coachella vibes. Code natin dito is tube. Size is medium best fit. Code natin is tube. Tube, main ko na nga ito pag wala. Tube for 150. Tube 150. Next one. Ito. Ay, ito maganda. Size po natin is medium best fit. Code natin dito is puti. Code natin is puti, medium. Puti for 150 pesos. Puti, 150. Ito medyo mahaba-haba, mga B. Ayan. Tago ang chan, mga beb. Size nito is medium best fit. Code po natin dito is haba. Code natin is haba. Haba 150 pesos. Haba 150.
Haba.
Okay, ito pa mga beb. Ayan, mga pa-LU. Code natin dito is dagat. May dagat na ako. Kanina pa. Okay, code natin is dagat na lang. Dagat for 150. Dagat 150. Okay, next one. Ito, primer cares, mga beb. Ito, ang ganda na ito. Size natin is small. Code natin dito is creamer. Code natin is creamer. Size is small. Code is creamer. Creamer 150. Creamer 150. Ito, for 99 pesos. Size po natin is medium. Code natin dito is ash. Code natin is ash 99. Ash 99. Okay, next. Ay, maganda yung green.
Yours na po si Dagat, Madam Ibet.
Size is large. Size is large. Code natin is verde. Verde for 120. Verde 120. Ito, with tag pa. Size po natin is small. Code natin dito is yellow. Yellow 120. Yellow 120. Ito, malaki din. Size po natin is large. Size is large. Code natin is cloud. Code is cloud. Size is large. Cloud for 150 pesos. Cloud 150. Ito, large din to. Medium large. Medium large. Code po natin dito is lambot. Code natin is lambot 199. Lambot 199. Ito, another Zara. Size po natin is medium best, small. Small pala to. Code natin dito is branded. Code natin is branded. 199 na lang to, guys. 199 na lang si branded, mga beb. Black po na large. Okay, go. Ito, black na large, madam. Size is large. Code natin dito is request. Code natin is request 150. Request 150. Request 150.
Yours na po si Lambot, Madam K. Cruz.
Okay, another small. Zara din to mga beb. Puro, ay, ano naman pala to? Yung All Saints. Code natin dito is Stella. Code natin is Stella. Size is small. Stella, 199 pesos. Stella, 199. Okay. Ay, ito yung may pa-back details at maganda din. Code natin dito is back. Code natin is back. Size is small. Back for 199 pesos. Back, 199. Ito pa, be. Brand new with tag. Code natin dito is gray. Size is small. Gray for 199 pesos. Gray, 199. Ito, size is XL. Size is XL. Code natin dito is cross. Code natin is cross. Cross for 199. Cross, 199. Diyos ko, sobrang mura sa 199 yung bed. Grabe, lugi. Okay, ito pa isa. Size is small B. Sobrang mura na talaga nito sa 150 mga beb. Code natin dito is Dilaw, 150. Dilaw, 150. Size is small, medium. Dilaw, 150. Ito, size is medium. Code natin dito is neutral. Code natin is neutral. Neutral, 150. Neutral, 150 pesos. Ito, t-shirt mga beb. Size is medium, large. Large, saktong-sakto. Code natin dito is guhit. Code natin is guhit, 199 pesos. Guhit, 199. Guhit, 199. Ito pa, isang Zara. May isa sale na lang for 199 pesos. Naku po. I-grab na. Size is medium. Code natin is grab. Grab, 199 pesos. Size is medium. Branded by Zara. Okay. Next. Sumabit. Ay, may ganito rin palang style, oh. Size po natin is small. Size is small. Code po natin dito is Aztec. Code natin is Aztec. Aztec for 120. Aztec 120.
Yours na po si Grab, Madam Sila.
Ay, double XL, guys. Code natin dito is animal. Size is XL to double. Code natin is animal. Animal 150. Ito, ang ganda ng kulay. Branded by